Are you ready to make money online? Stay tuned because in today's video, you can earn hundreds of dollars for every script you copy and paste. You've heard that right. And we will show you how you can effortlessly set this up, so by the end of this video, you'll essentially be a pro and on the way to financial independence. We know that videos involving several websites might be complicated and confusing, but stay with us because this video is especially for beginners who have never made money online. Follow all of the instructions in this video and you will be successful in no time. Before we go further into this video, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We will show you how to make money quickly in a few moments by presenting the best and most effective platforms. So if you are interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. With this new video, keep in mind that we release new content about making money online daily. So make sure you stay tuned whenever we release new content so you can be the first to try it out. The first website we'll talk about in this video is Digistore24.com. Digistore24 is an online sales platform offering numerous services, but will only focus on the affiliate network. They claim to have the most competitive affiliate system online. You can see this and a lot more information about what they do on their homepage, so make sure you read it. This strategy will be advantageous for you, even if you are a beginner. You wouldn't need prior experience in technical skills or investment of any type. You just need to whip out any device and you'll be earning money wherever you are in the world. For now, let us show you the Digistore24 marketplace. You can easily access this through the link at the top of their website and you'll be presented with over 200 products and offers that you may choose to promote. Clicking promote will give you unique affiliate links you can copy. You can share these links online, and every time someone views and buys a product you advertise, you will earn cash as a commission. As an example, let's check this product out. Meticore usually sells for an average of $200 and offers a whopping 85% commission. Another sample is Billion Dollar Virgin by Wesley, which typically earns $50 and provides an 80% commission. There are tons of products on Digistore24 that you can make money off, and we'll give you a tip right now. By modifying this section, you can select categories on the left sidebar and increase your income. Just choose sort by earnings or sale to filter the results, and the site will automatically show you the goods with the highest earnings and commission rates. Now that you're familiar with this website, let us proceed with the sign-up process. This is completely free and easy to do. First, return to Digistore24's homepage and click on the Register Now button. This will take you to a new page where you'll have to fill in a few questions to create a free account. Make sure that you sign up only as an affiliate, then you can go ahead and put in a unique username which will be used for your own affiliate link. You'll need to fill in an email address, a password, your country and time zone, and some personal details like your name, address, and phone number. Continue to scroll down and check this box to agree to their B2B contract and privacy policy. And finally, click this blue button to start generating money. Now, every time you select a product to promote, the website will automatically provide you a personal URL. You can't share this link everywhere on the internet. When people click on it, they'll be taken directly to the product's main website. And once they've made a purchase, you'll earn a promised commission rate. We'll use Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr as an example for the rest of the video. The average price of this YouTube course is $500 and they offer a 50% commission for every sale. This means that you can make approximately $250 for a single purchase. Do you like this video? Don't be shy and hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you found this video helpful and entertaining, share your thoughts with us in the comments below. And now we'll show you how you can advertise successfully. We'll make use of Reddit, a platform where people gather to discuss almost any topic, ask and answer questions, and post publication materials of all forms. The Tube Mastery and Monetization course offers to teach the best way to bring in cash on YouTube, so you need to search for a specific group you need to promote to. They are the ones who are attempting to make money online. Back to the Reddit homepage, click the search button and enter the keywords similar to ways to earn money online. A new page containing the results will pop up. You just need to browse through the post and search for individuals who are asking that question. These individuals we are looking for are very interested in generating cash independently, especially online, and you'll give them a sure way to do just that. There are already lots of inquiries about this topic, but most of the answers can be random suggestions with no value. However, what we'll give them is a surefire way to learn and earn online. And since your replies will be filled with helpful information and free tips, people will really like them. People who trust your comments will undoubtedly leave an upvote or even comments. Both interactions will increase your engagement and soon gain more attention. It's time for another tip to create a short script like this. You can just copy and paste it on Reddit every time you need to. This will need to include a brief description of the product and make sure to advertise it. At the end of these scripts, don't forget to include your affiliate link that people can click on. Once you've made your writing convincing and trustworthy, individuals who have read it surely access the URL that you have provided. And if visitors will use your link to visit the official website and choose to purchase the product, you will earn 50% of the selling price, which is $500. Imagine making $250 and all you did was copy and paste a few words. Now we'll just go back to Reddit and enter our keywords once again. Scroll through these discussions and inquiries and find a post you want to reply to. Click on the Add Comment button and then paste the script you wrote onto each of them. Once you have responded to all of the results of the search, you can edit the keywords you have used to see more posts related to online money-making strategies. Then you can just repeat what you did. Copy and paste the script to help people while promoting the products and earning for yourself. That's all for now. Feel free to watch this video again to serve as your guide as you start to earn money online. What do you think about these websites? Does it seem like an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace primary income jobs in the future? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you love similar concepts like this, make sure to take a look at our other videos. If you like it, please hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated. We'll see you in the following video.